Now let's turn to our chief meteorologist, Mike Everett, with more on the warmer temperatures coming up for the first day of summer. I almost said wetter because that's like my automatic thing now. But no, we're now looking forward to warmer temperatures, finally.
It's like the Freudian thing. We've just been trained. It's cold, it's wet, it's cold, it's wet. You know what? The timing is fantastic. When you think about it, the first day of summer, I almost said winter, is going to be on Tuesday. You got me. So here's what we're expecting is temperatures to warm almost as if they're on cue. Now, nothing miraculous, but compared to what we've experienced recently, it's going to be pretty nice. Let's put that into context for a second, shall we? It's currently 60 degrees outside. It is nighttime. Just 2 days ago, our high temperature was 57. We need some warming, so by default, it just has to get warmer. In fact, as we take a look across the map right now, we've got 57s in Bremerton, we got 58s in Tacoma, another 57 out at the coast in Hoquiam. Where it was really nice today was Wenatchee. They got into the mid-70s, still holding on to some low 60s there. Here's what's happening in the big picture, more about what's not happening. So you remember just going back a couple days ago when it was abnormally cool out there, there was a big low pressure system sitting right off the coast. It was very easy to identify, looked like a big comma out there. Sagged to the south and then made its appearance yesterday. You may have remembered that we had some showers that were coming from north to south along the coast and then moving from south to north off towards eastern Washington. Now you can see very clearly that this thing has moved. So the center of it's pretty much right over the Canadian border, and you can see that rotation that's bringing some showers into eastern Washington right now, but nothing compared to what we've seen over the last couple of days. Folks in Okanagan County really needed a break. They've had some heavy rain and storms over the last couple of days. Another thing that I'm loving is being able to see some land. The cloud cover clearing out beautifully, making it so folks up in Port Angeles are seeing the skies there. And it looks like for the most part, Puget Sound's looking pretty good. We're getting a few light radar returns near Hood Canal, and that's about as exciting as it gets. Small craft advisory in place for our friends up towards the Strait of Juan de Fuca and the San Juans there. Winds gusting up to about 25 knots, and that's going to be doing that through most of the day tomorrow, so do be very careful there. Putting the future into focus here again, there'll be some cloud cover out there. We start the day off tomorrow at 8 a.m., and virtually everybody west of the Cascades will be seeing some cloud cover. Showers will try and move in, but they're just no match for the high pressure that's building across the region. We'll get some light showers off to the east tomorrow. Puget Sound's looking pretty good during quitting time. And then as we go towards the evening, this is Tuesday morning. System tries to move in, and the high pressure goes, nope, denied. Keep moving. Go up to Canada. And then it clears for the first day of summer. And you know what that does? It warms us. So we get into the upper 60s on Monday. Tuesday, we get into the mid-70s. A little system moves in and cools us midweek. But next weekend, 70s, and wait for it, 80s.